size, color, and another other thing is type of biodiversity. But there are three type of biodiversity: species diversity, genetic biodiversity, and ecological biodiversity. Genetic diversity, zooming in, even we can find more and more different form within a single species. Species biodiversity, the life form within the region that which type of species of organism and on an area together make a species biodiversity. Ecological biodiversity is the largest scale of biodiversity because it compare the diversity across the different ecosystem. Thank you.
पहले जानते हैं बायोडाइवर्सिटी क्या होता है. द टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल इन अ गिवन एरिया. बायोडाइवर्सिटी आर थ्री टाइप्स: जेनेटिक बायोडाइवर्सिटी, स्पेसीज बायोडाइवर्सिटी, इकोसिस्टम बायोडाइवर्सिटी. स्पेसीज बायोडाइवर्सिटी और वैरायटी ऑफ गिवन एरिया होता है, और जेनेटिक बायोडाइवर्सिटी डिफरेंट इन डीएनए में होता है. इकोसिस्टम वैरायटी ऑफ हैबिटेट्स होता है. स्पेसीज बायोडाइवर्सिटी के चार टाइप होते हैं: अल्फ़ा, गामा और साइलोन. पॉइंट डाइवर्सिटी में ये स्मॉल स्केल में पाए जाते हैं, और अल्फ़ा लोकल स्केल में पाया जाता है, और साइलोन होते हैं ग्रुप ऑफ गामा, एंड गामा लार्ज स्केल में पाए जाते हैं. और आएंगे फूड वेब में. फूड वेब जैसे ग्रास को खाते हैं काऊ और गोट. एक अगर काऊ और गोट ग्रास को नहीं खाएंगे तो हर जगह झाड़ियाँ हो जाएगी, और काऊ और गोट को लॉयन खाता है. लॉयन अगर इन लोगों को नहीं खाता तो हर जगह जानवर हो जाएंगे. इसलिए
बायोडाइवर्सिटी, total number of plant and animal is called biodiversity. Biodiversity is all living things on our planet, from the smallest bacteria to largest plant and animals. There are three types of biodiversity: genetic biodiversity, species biodiversity, ecosystem biodiversity. Other name of biodiversity is biological diversity. The term biodiversity is given by Walter G. Rosen in 1986. Genetic biodiversity, zooming in, even we can find more difference can even with single species. Species biodiversity, the life form within three regions. The types of species organism we can find areas together in our diversity. Ecological biodiversity, the largest scale of biodiversity because it compare diversity across the different ecosystem is called biodiversity. Thank you.
What is biodiversity? Biodiversity is all living things on our planet, from the smallest bacteria to the largest planet and animals. Type of biodiversity: genetic biodiversity, second species biodiversity, third ecological biodiversity. Genetic biodiversity, zooming in, even we can find more and more difference even within a single species. Species biodiversity, the life form within the region, the type of species of organism and an area together make a species biodiversity. Ecological biodiversity, this is a largest scale of biodiversity because it compares the diversity across different ecosystem. Thank you.
Animal are called biodiversity. Biodiversity are three types: genetic biodiversity, species biodiversity और ecological biodiversity. Genetic biodiversity, zooming in, we can find more different even within single species. Species biodiversity, there are four types: alpha biodiversity, gamma biodiversity, or point biodiversity, or species biodiversity. Ecological biodiversity, this is the largest scale biodiversity because it compares diversity. Thank you.
Biodiversity is all the living things on our plant, from the smallest bacteria to the largest planets and animals. type of biodiversity. Type of biodiversity. Genetic biodiversity, species biodiversity, ecological biodiversity. Genetic biodiversity, zooming in ever we can find more and more difference even within single species. Species biodiversity, the life of forms within that regions, the types of species of organisms and an area together make up species. Biodiversity, ecological biodiversity. This is the largest scale of the biodiversity because it compares the diversity across different ecosystem. Thank you.
Living things on our plant, from the small bacteria to the largest plant and animals. Types of three biodiversity.
Living plant and plant thing in our living thing in our plant, from the smallest bacteria and largest plant and animal. There are three types of biodiversity: genetic biodiversity, species biodiversity, ecological biodiversity. Genetic, zooming in even we can see more and more different things without a single species. Species biodiversity, the life form within the region, the type of species, organism and area together of species diversity. Ecological diversity, this is the largest scale of diversity because it is compared diversity across the different ecosystem. Thank you.